Okay, so we're going to also look at number 65 here. And so for number 65, we have the cosine theta equals cosine 70. And again, what you're looking for here are the reference angles. And so if we've got a reference angle of 70 degrees, that means the potential angles that are the same are the four places where you could get a reference angle of 70 degrees on the axes. And then remember that cosine is equal to x over r, which for all of these, if we pick the r the same, then the x's are going to be the same absolute value, and the only difference is the sign. And so what we need to worry about is, when do the x values have the same sign? Well, x is positive in quadrant 1 at 70 degrees, and it's also positive in quadrant 4 at, well, you got to think about what this is. You can either do 270 plus 20 to get 290, or 360 minus 70 to get 290. So you get 290 degrees. And so the answer for this one is 70 degrees and 290 degrees. We also had a question about 67, and it says the tangent of theta equals to the tangent of 20. And again, you got to think about, when is the tangent going to have the same sign, the same value, because the x and y's are going to be the same with the same reference angles. And so it's going to happen, the tangent has the same sign in first and third quadrant and second and fourth quadrant. So since 20 degrees is in the first quadrant, then we need to do the 20 degrees in the third quadrant, because it's the same in the third quadrant because x and y are both negative. So when you do y over x, you get, or negative y over negative x, you just get y over x. And so it has the same value. So if you got a reference angle of 20 degrees here, then the total reference angle is, or total angle is 200 degrees. And so for number 67, it's going to be theta is either equal to 20 degrees or 200 degrees.